Howdy there, folks. We're going to take a look at this oscillating sprinkler. This is a dual water pattern selection, impact resistant plastic base, curved aluminum spray tube, and 17 durable nozzles. So it has 17 nozzles and it is adjustable for angles. So you can do full, center, left, or right angles on this. Let's go ahead and take it out here. Was sent to us for review. Pulling it out, you have a very traditional style sprinkler. Nice wide base on this. It is polymer. Just lay that down just like so. And then you're going to turn this knob. There's a knob right here, and this is going to adjust the angle. So it even has a designation from full to angled. So you just simply push that. Oop. It's a little bit hard to do here. Let's pull it out and push. Oop. To get it to move well, you kind of have to have water flowing through it. It makes it a little easier. But nice handle, has your settings right on it, and then it has this nut that goes onto the hose, and it has a filter so you don't get debris going into the sprinkler. This makes it really easy to take it on and off the hose. Very nice sprinkler, was sent to us for review.